Honorable leader, honorable headmaster of high school, honorable doctor, assistant teachers, and sergeant, and dear participants of various types of schools, and first take my sincere welcome and congratulate. Dear school, do you know? You have listened various types of instruction already. This is that listen. There are many topics to learn. 3 days. How to make a gadget, how to make a lesson, how to make a field book, how to make a hiking, etc. After training, you will go to the school and apply to you school room. Isn't it? Do you agree? I want to say something in English because English is an international language. But Scout is an international language. You must know English because if you got chance, maybe you go to abroad. Isn't it? So you must know English. Want to say so I want to say something in English. Wherever I get chance, I speak in English. Isn't it? You practice. Every day, in English with your parent, with your friend, with your teacher, with your intermediate friend. Okay? Yes. Thank you very much. Have a good time. May all in the PhD know teachers. Teachers until training exam is over. Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you, honorable chief guest, special guest. Thank you all. May all my bless you. May all my bless you.